Hello dear fans. How to calculate the power of the device. The easiest and most reliable way to measure the power of the device is with a special device, a wattmeter. But this device is not in every home, but there are other devices that allow you to determine the network parameters. In particular, you can calculate the power of the device by measuring the required parameters with a multimeter. Instructions. Step 1. To do this, you need to do the following. Turn the multimeter to the voltage measurement position. Correctly select the type of current and measurement limits. De-energize the device that you are calculating, and connect your multimeter to its network in parallel to it. If the current is constant, observe the polarity when turning on. Power up the assembled network. Take a voltage measurement and write down or remember the reading. Disconnect the mains voltage. Step 2. Switch the tester to the mode in which the current is measured, also carefully choosing the measurement limits and the type of current. With the consumer turned off, turn on the multimeter in series. If the current is constant, observe the polarity. If the starting current of the consumer is much higher than the operating current, bypass the tester with the switch and close it. Switch on the power supply to the consumer. After it enters the operating mode, open the switch. Also write down or remember the measurement result. Step 3. According to the formula, power is calculated as the product of voltage and current. P equals U asterisk I, where P power, W, I current strength, A, U voltage, V. Substitute the previously recorded numerical values and get the desired power of the device. You can calculate the power of the device using the electric meter installed in your apartment. To do this, turn off all electricity consumers in the apartment, leaving only the tested device turned on. Count the number of revolutions of the counter disc for a certain period of time. The counter on the front panel indicates the number of revolutions of the counter disc per kW/hour. Step 4. Disconnect the device from the mains. Then calculate the power using the formula. P equals N/N/T/60, where N is the number of revolutions of the disk, counted over a period of time, N is the number of revolutions per kilowatt/hour, T measurement time, min. Thanks for watching.